Welcome back. If you've been trying to find your saved Reels drafts on Facebook using a PC, and the new update made it harder to spot, don't worry. In this video, I'll show the exact steps to locate all your Reels drafts inside the Facebook app on your computer. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This is where Facebook hides most of the account options, so make sure you open the right menu. Next, from the dropdown, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This section keeps track of different things connected to your account, so it's the right place to look when you want to find past activity, saved content, and draft-related items. Now, inside the activity log, select your Facebook activity. Facebook organizes your activity here in a way that makes it easier to search through different content types. Once you're inside, look for the option labeled Reels and click on it. After that, you should see the Reels draft section. Open it, and Facebook will show you all the Reels drafts you have saved on your account. From here, you can review your drafts, continue editing them, or decide which one you want to post later. If you don't see your drafts right away, double-check that you're using the same account where the drafts were created. Sometimes the issue is simply being signed into a different profile, or Facebook may take a moment to load all the activity data. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly find all your Reels drafts on Facebook app on PC after the latest update. If this helped, make sure to keep watching for more simple Facebook tutorials like this one.